I have a GoPro Hero 8 Black here. I'm going to show you how to change the screen orientation. Okay, now basically you have two choices. You can either select all or landscape. So I have all right now. With all, you're able to actually record in vertical mode as well. So you can see here. We can even turn it this way. You have to give it a second to change. And the same thing with the front display. It'll rotate along with it as well. It's gonna have to give it a second. You can see I can turn it down this way like this. Give it a second. You can see right there. So first thing is just go into your preferences. Just from the top, you want to slide down. We're going to go to preferences. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to touch screen right here. And now here's orientation. So again, you have two choices. You have all or landscape. If you have it in landscape, then you can only record like this way or this way. Okay? If you have it under all, you'll be able to record in both landscape positions as well as both portrait or basically vertical positions as well. Now really quickly, let me just go back to all. Now most of you guys probably want to always leave it on landscape. You don't ever want to record like in a vertical position, but just for example here, I'm going to leave it on all. And then we'll go ahead and, so as soon as I want to go ahead and record a video, like let's say I wanted it in a vertical position, or any position, I have to wait till everything is registered. So if I want to record in vertical right now and I tap on the shutter button to start recording, it's going to record in landscape, okay? If I wanted to do it in vertical mode, you have to make sure that it's in the correct position, and now you can go ahead and record, okay? Now it doesn't matter what you do, it's going to keep recording in that same orientation. So for example, let me just show you. We'll do a replay on that video. So if I do a replay, I'm just going to go ahead and slide up. And that last video is right here. And you can see it's in a vertical position here. Okay. And the regular horizontal, of course, it would be something like this. Anyway, pretty simple. Good luck.